Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to a new stream on my channel. Yeah, as you can see, we are we keep developing engine, or the project, the engine for the game I want to make. Yeah, okay, this is a bug which is annoying, but so we have textures. I made a quick thingy here for him, and yeah, this is very nice. We have 2D rendering quads with textures. Yeah, I think a thing we need to implement is that different things can have different colors. For example, if this has like that color, okay, this works. But if we apply, because like, but I don't upload it here. So let's try applying the color for that guy. Okay, I think it worked. Let's really test it. No, it should be blue, I think. Yeah. Okay, it worked. Nice. One less problem. Okay, I think I have a better thing. We don't do that. We have a void quad load texture quad and construct pointer texture file path, like that. We have that, and then we do quad texture is equal to that, and here we just don't. We do red. The texture is equal to null pointer, and then in here we say if quad.texture not equal null pointer. We do that. Yeah, but we kind of need that. Can we do uniform int you using textures, and if you using textures equal 1, that we do that. Yeah, and then else we upload. We say first we need to bind the shader. Oh no, it is bound. The shader program uploads int you using textures 0. And as 1. You color we want to always upload, you model also. New texture 0 we want to only upload here, I guess. And yeah, and this is like, this is it, I think. So let's try it. Let's not create it like that. We do squad. No, this won't have a texture, and we don't do that. And then we do squad2.load texture. Oh no, it's not C++. So quad load texture and squad2, and this is the texture file path we want to load from. And yeah, this is it. Okay, this is a lot of arrows. Upload int. We need a shader program to which we want to upload it. Conflicting types, yeah, we don't have that. And unused variable in renderer.c. By the way, the renderer.c I made offline. It's just a data structure thing which iterates through a set of quads. Yeah. Where's it's here. Okay. So let's try. Okay, shader error. Color must be used before initialization. Vec for 0, 0, 0, 0. No, we don't need to rebuild. Okay. Okay, let's make it 1, 1, 1. I mean, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. Very nice. Okay. Perfect. One achievement on our list is done. We can now also render colored quads. Okay, the next thing that I wanted to do is in the compiler flash do -o3 -f fast math, and we go ddef vs code calma engine scripts. Where are the compiler flags? Dash. Okay, so this is kind of it. So that's rebuild. I hope F fast math does even exist in Clang. Okay, something. Maybe O2. Why can't it register the window class just because we use optimization? What? Okay, let's Google that. -o3 win library crash. Okay, I think this won't help me that much. Where's the here that bit file? The dash 03 dash that dash G but I have all of those. Okay, let's try. Maybe it's because of the debug break. Or maybe it always calls that, or I don't know, some stuff. But let's comment that out. Oops. Okay. Okay. Why can't I just comment that one line out? Like that. Yeah. Thanks. Okay. It's still not working. Okay, so it's really a thing that, by the way, the code is too small, I guess. It's really a thing Win32 crash with optimization flags. Yeah, here. Writing a program, C++ Qt contains a graph file parser. I use GCC G++ compiler. While developing, I'm constantly comparing the performance of my low-level layer between different compiler flags regarding optimization and debug information plus Qt's turning off QDebug and QAssert. Now I'm facing a problem where the only correctly functioning bits without any optimizations, even O1, seem to work in another way. They crash due unsatisfied assertions, which are satisfied when compiled without -o flag. The code doesn't produce any compiler warnings even with wall. I'm very sure there's a bug in my program which seems to be harmful with optimization being enabled. The problem is there are a few cases uninitialized variables. The compiler can catch uninitialized variables. Let's see. Think where again? Wait. Let's do 03. Window class. And what is window class? Ah, it's not initialized. Can we do that and see? No. Secret to that? I think we can't do that, can we? Oh, we can. Oh my god! It actually worked! I didn't expect that. Yeah, okay, that's very nice. Very cool. Okay, So let's do fast math as well. And like I don't currently have any profiler or something in that sense, but the only program at profiler I like is Task Manager. Okay, let's stop logging that shit. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now task key. By the way, I need to close that stuff. Okay, yeah, that's like 1% of my CPU. That's very nice. 1 to 2%. Nice. GPU 1%. Okay, nice. So the next thing, the next thing that we want to implement is rendering triangles, because as is at the moment we can't render triangles. So let's do that. So // core defines and include. We need a vertex array. We need include. We could do texture. Let's do texture later. Need hash include /math/vector. So vector2 position and scale. And then we need a vector2 pointer. Vertices. Because we want to have custom vertices on our triangle. Width, height. Oh, that's the texture, bro. Rotation, color. Okay, before we do that, let's test rotation. And we don't even have rotation implemented. So let's do that. But for that, let me check the order of translate, rotate, scale. I think in quad. Okay, so translate, rotate, scale. Okay, I actually set the order. So first multiply. Let's have that here for a moment, like that. We multiply it with scale MV. Matrix identity, no, not with scale, with rotate, I mean, obviously. MV angle and matrix for identity. Angle is, we need to include radians. Includes /mouse/radians. I think it's degrees to radians. 45. I mean, obviously, quad that rotation. And V is vector 3 create 0, 0, 1 in the z-axis. Okay, and then we do model matrix is equal to matrix for multiply itself times this. Okay, this is very nice. Okay. Yeah. So where do we have the rotation here? And let's first build to see if it works normally without rotation. Yeah. Okay, now with 45-degree angle. Okay, it's rotating wrong because it's rotating around a point, which is not good. How do I make it rotate around itself? If we first scale and then rotate. Still. Okay, so what if we would pass the model matrix in here? I don't know, but hey, weird idea, I know. Rotations. Rotate 2D. I don't want to rotate around a point. Okay. Let me see if I can try a thing. Okay, so GLM mat 4 mat 1 is equal to GLM rotate GLM mat 4 1 GLM radians 45 vector is 0 0 1, and then we do I think that I had that in Vendra. Yeah, I had this. I already did the same thing. Okay, so let's have that. and do matrix for, yeah, come on. Okay, that, and then we do matrix for log that. So this is it, I guess. Okay, so it's wrong. Huh? Wait. I know it's wrong because the other code had no rotation, and we looked at the one with no rotation, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so 0, yeah, that. Yeah, okay. It's correct. But what if, I mean, we do not even rotate anything. What if we rotate the player? Is that rotation? Yeah. 45. This works. But why? Translate, rotate, scale. If we don't translate it simply. Karhandala, what's up? What's up, bro? I'm fighting with C at the moment. It's hard. Trying to rotate an object with my own library, and it kind of doesn't work. Like, it works, but it works in a way I don't want it to work. You get it? Now it works! Okay, it's because of the translating. And if we now do the translating well after, model matrix equal to that. What? Ah, and then it's equal to matrix for multiply model matrix. Yeah. It works! I think it works. Wait. Why is it so weird? Why is it moving so weird? Nothing is okay. No matter what I do, it's wrong. If I do that, then the rotation doesn't work, and otherwise the shitty, crappy thing doesn't work. Model matrix is equal to... Yeah, we can do that. Oh. Matrix for model matrix is equal to matrix for create by value 0, and then we do that. But I think this also wouldn't work. Fucking shitting heck. Why is it so weird? Like, what made it is weird? Let me go back till it's not weird. Don't even know what made it so weird. So translate rotate scale. Yeah, this is weird. And rotate scale translate is even weirder. Or scale rotate translate. Let's try that. Like that and like that. What the fuck? I never had such weird things happening. I mean, here it works. Look at this. No, not at this, at this. Yeah, it's just rotating it. Like a normal person. We will figure out rotation some other day. because we have other things to do, because we don't even want to rotate stuff at the moment. So let's keep that away and work on the triangle. Yeah. Ah, we rotated this guy. Okay, wait. I mean, we translated. Let's try this and like that. And it still shouldn't work, I guess. What the fuck? Okay, so rotation is scary Mary stuff. We figured that one out. So just scaling. Where's my translate? Translate. Scale. Yeah. What's the plan of this series, bro? The plan of the series is creating a game. Not an engine, a game. Like an engine in architecture. And like architecture wise it's an engine, but we want to create a game in it. And why is it not working again? So the plan is, it's not a normal engine like every engine you see on YouTube. It's an engine without dependencies. Okay, like the single dependency is SDB for like boring stuff like image loading. But with that we don't have any dependencies. Yeah. Okay, now finally let's go on to triangle rendering. We have vertices, which we can supply a position and a scale. What we need? We need a tag for the renderer, a color obviously, and a vertex array. But with the texture I'm not going to mess. Like maybe later, but now I'm not going to mess with it. Yeah. So triangle creates. Yeah, we need a const char pointer tag, vector to position, vector to scale, vector to pointer vertices, vector for color. Yeah. Okay, we need a delete render move x and move y. So void triangle delete triangle render. Let's call it obj, so we don't have confusion. Triangle, move x, triangle, obj, and 230. Oh, it's a float x and float y. Nice. Okay, so triangle 2d.c hash includes triangle 2d. Paste all of those. that, and pretty much paste this as well. Okay, so we have a triangle red is equal to tag position scale rotation, rotation float rotation. Nice. Color and texture we don't have yet. We don't need the vertices. We do need the indices, but only the first triangle, because we are only rendering one triangle. VA is equal to create, and vertices are vertices, size of vertices. Yeah, this is I think you can do that. Static draws, yeah. Vertex layout create. Yeah, I think we should do it in another way, because we also need texture coordinates, and I don't want the user to specify texture coordinates. So let's do vert1. It's not a pointer. Vector2 vert2 vector2 vert3. Like that. Okay, we have float vertices is equal to that, and we have vert1 dot x, vert1 dot y, vert1 dot z. I think z we don't even have z. Okay, so vert1, vert2, then 0 0 vert2 dot x, vert2 dot y, 0. Wait, this is 0 1, then vert2 dot x, vert3 dot x, vert3 dot y, 1 1 vert. Oh yeah. That's actually it. Okay, so coordinate 1 2 3. Let's have 0 0 0 1. Yeah. No, it's 0.51 and 1 0, and that's not good, but I can't do anything about it. Let's try this. Oh, I think the thing is that do we need a separate shader? I don't think so. No. Okay, so we create the vertex array and stuff. Without texture. OBJVA. Okay, we don't need all of that. We just do using textures as 0 and hash include /math / matrix and include /math / matrix transform. Model matrix is matrix multiply. obj.position.x obj obj.scale. Yeah. You color, you model, draw indexed. Yeah, that's kind of it. Okay. So now let's have a triangle. Do a triangle 2D. We have a triangle pointer triangles. Add triangle remove triangle like that. Triangle obj render objects. Let me do get triangle by index triangle get triangle by tag. Yeah. Oh, let's have it like, I think add triangle remove triangle render objects get quad index get quad. Yeah, get quad index, get triangle index, remove triangle, get triangle by this, and put them all here and return a triangle pointer. And those are triangles. Okay, nice. So we have max quads. Now let's have max triangles. Triangles is like, let's say 2500, and assets are triangles, as malloc triangle, max triangles. Obviously we also need a triangle count. Triangle count, program create, terminate, goes through every triangle now as well. Triangle count I++, triangle delete state dot triangles at I state dot triangles at I equal to null pointer. Yeah. Add quad, remove quad. Okay, so add triangle will be that, but not quads, it's triangles. And this is add sstates dot triangle count plus plus. Remove triangle will be that. Triangle delete. Get triangle index. Non-existent triangle. Triangle index. Triangle index. Triangles. Triangles. Yeah. Okay, get index. We have all of that obviously implemented. Yeah, triangle count and triangles. Yeah, okay, return I. Get triangle by tag. For triangle count, triangles at I. Okay. Nice. And now for the render. Render objects for utility I is equal to 0, I system state dot quad dot triangle count I plus plus. If state dot triangles at I not equal null pointer. Triangle render state dot triangles at I. Yeah. Nice. Wait. I need to take in not a pointer here. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do. Where is that? Oh, it's here. Static. Where do we include? Can we do static triangle? Yeah. Let's triangle. S triangle is equal to triangle create. A triangle test. Position is vector to create, let's say 400, 500. Scale is vector to create 100, 100. Rotation is 0, vert 1 is vector to create. So vertex 1 should be negative this. Oh, by the way, in triangle we need another 0 here for the Z. Oopsies. Okay, so 0.6, 0.5, then a vector to create 0, positive, and vector to create negative as positive, negative. Colors vector 2, vector 4 create 0.2, 0.3, 0.8, 1.0. Yeah. Okay, then we do render to the add triangle S triangle. So we add a triangle and we do a render objects and build. I'm seeing a lot of errors. Yeah. And triangle 2D. Okay, so we need render command, we need global state and render buffers. Quad dot is obj dot. No, obj dot. Quads obj. Yeah. What? Like, like we are all triangles, but that's kind of cool. Like, oh god. Okay, so we're kind of all triangles. But why is that? But I'm really surprised that it even worked. But why isn't it just changing the vertex arrays? Maybe we need to bind vertex array bind object.va vertex array unbind object.va. Maybe we need to do that, and also with the quaddies. Object.va. No, not object, it's quad. It's quad. What? Incompatible options for link. What are you talking about? Okay. So this is something. But the player is split in half. Maybe unbinding will work. Why is the player split in half? if we first create that and then create the other one, then the other one is split. So the one that is first created will be... maybe it's because of the index buffer. Maybe if we just have those indices as well. Yeah, that worked. Okay, nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. This is very nice. Okay? Very nice. Okay, so now let's try making some random shapes. Negative 0.1. Okay, it's pretty random, I think it's pretty random. If we have that like that and something changes with the triangle, I will be crying. And I'm very honest, I will actually be crying. It changed. Why? Okay, so what does that? Why it shouldn't it should just do vertex array binds VA and then do vertex array unbind. Then we don't need to worry about that. Let's try. Because I feel like it's accessing the wrong index buffer. And it's still doing it. But if we just render 6 indices, still doesn't work. Aua. If we do, if we don't do that, and then maybe just unbind the index buffer, quad. Wait, where's bind the shader? If we render the triangles first, what happens if we render the triangles and then we render the triangles and then we do after we render the triangles we unbind every triangle VAO. Let's state the triangles at I.va vertex array unbind and then vertex array bind a state.quad at I for u32 I is equal to 0, I is less than a state.quad count I plus plus. Hmm. $71. Oh, yay. Also, it's only the first one. Hmm. We just do that. What a trash. No, even this is not working. What the fuck? Huh. Okay, so we have a little spike here. Like, who cares about the spiky? No one, I guess. Yeah, we're all happy. All very happy. Okay, so, like this, and here it's this, no, and here it's that, here it's that, and here it's that. Let's try that. Nice. Okay, nice. So, yeah. So let's try texturing the guy. I mean, the triangle. So So texture 2D, for which we need to include texture, and we do void triangle loads texture, triangle pointer obj, and const char pointer texture file path. And after creating the guy, a load texture is a very easy thing. Just that. Okay, so create a texture and uploading it. Yeah. We do obj texture and have that. And here we do red texture is equal to null pointer. And in render we do that. Texture not equal null pointer, we do obj the texture, obj. Yep. And let's build that. Bricks 512 times 512. Okay, still everything is working. Let's get a brick texture. It's a JPEG, I don't know about that. Yeah, I'll download it. Brick. Just brick. Not brick PBR video if you want so. No, call you brick. Stupid idiot. Okay, now triangle loads texture and as triangle dot slash engine slash assets slash textures slash brick dot png. Yes, let's go. It works. Very nice. Very, very nice. But let's change up the color. Nice. Okay, let's create another triangle as triangle 2 is test 2, and we create it and we just give it like that color 1.0 and yeah, right. Okay, so as triangle and brick, and I want to add as triangle 2. Okay, it's at the same position. That's not ideal thing, I guess. Okay. Can't have two triangles? Or what? Vertex array bind. Is this possible? Like, where does it not work anymore? Incorrect. What? Where were we? And can it at render object it's not getting that. Can we not have this breakpoint? Okay, so it can do that. Quad render can do it as well. Triangle render, it can do it, and it can't do it the second time. Okay. What was the exception? Was it just read access violation? So the vertex array wasn't created correctly, I guess. Because we what? We check if the triangle is not null pointer. We just don't bind it. But we need it. Definitely. Is only the vertex array not there? Or what? And why can't it create the vertex array? If I add squad 2 first, then what will happen? Read access violation. So only the vertex array couldn't be created correctly. Or what? If obj.va yeah, okay, so the second VA could not be created somehow. seems correct. If red just assert, can't assert. Assert message red not equal null pointer fails to create a vertex array. Oh my god! Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh my fucking god, bro. How can a person be so dumb? How can a person... Oh god. Why? I'm asking myself, actually, why? I can't anymore. Can't handle it. Let's have a for u32 I is equal to, no, y is equal to 0, y is less than 25, y plus plus. For u32 x is equal to 0, x is less than 25, x plus plus. And then have a quad. Okay, the music is actually very nice. Let's go. Okay, surrender to the add quad create. Tag is let's just say test for the moment. Position, let's do vector to create x times 25, y times 25, and vector to create 25, 25. Rotation is 0, color is, yeah, let's have a random get random value in range C. Okay, we need to include a ran, no, I think time. Then we need to do like here, srand time 0, and then we need to do vector for create that. So upper is 1. Let's say 1 divided by 255 is upper, and lower is 0 divided by 255. No, 1 divided by 0.1. Get random float. Okay. Here. Times 200 times 1. And this 4 times. Thank you for not going there. Why are you like this? Okay, so this is our color. Let's firstly delete all of those things and move that under init. So I think we do quads q is equal to that, and then we do and q why? Wait, so if we just do render to the add quad, we have a quad q is equal to quad create hello world vector to create at 100 vector to create 100 0 vector for create 0 and 2 0.3 0.8 1.0 and render add quad q. Is it because we need to do if state at quad count not equal 0 and if as states the triangle count not equal 0. Why is this again weird? It should work. Why does it need to be static? Anyway, if we have it static here, then const what if we do that? This is going to be a pointer. It's going to be a pointer. And red dots is going to be that. Red that. And red is equal to malloc size of quad. We do include stdlib, and we do QE. And it works. Okay. Yeah, okay. So let's do it with triangles as well. Let's get to malloc size of triangle, red dot, like that. Return red. Free obj, I guess. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so we have one thing. We don't need to log that stuff. Now where was our... this guy? Oh my god. It looks like a bug. But it isn't a bug. Okay, I don't understand why it's so uniform on these sides. Okay, I mean it looks pretty cool. And okay, now if everyone quad load texture q dot slash asset engine assets textures brick.png. If everyone has a brick texture, let's see. Oh, it's going to be loaded a lot of times, which is not ideal, obviously. Okay, so let's make a texture loading system. So, asset pool. Type distract assets pool. Asset pool. Include texture. Texture to the textures. Void text asset pool. Add texture. Texture to the pointer texture. Has to add texture and texture to the pointer asset. Paul, what's up? Glad to see you here. What's up? Load texture. Add with a file path. Yeah. Sorry. Include asset pool and load texture. It's just for how much progress did you make. Yeah, look at this. I'm loading like 10,000 textures at the moment, and it's the same one. So I have this thing at the moment, which looks like garbage, I know. But everyone has random colors and everyone can technically have a random texture. And I made triangles today. Like, I can show it if it's... 30 minutes ago I had a nicer thing going on. But, yeah. I have a triangle rendering implemented today and a few other things. So yeah, I'm now working on a asset pool so that we don't load the texture every time, you know. So I is less than, we need a texture count, and we also need a asset pool init to initialize the list of textures. So and we need a asset pool state, static asset pool state as state. We have a state. What are other program elements of your game? Yeah, like you mean like big systems are like mainly the renderer, then maybe windowing system, which is pretty big, which I already made, input system and stuff. Yeah, 3D rendering system, 2D rendering system, GUI system. That are like things that I need to make for the game. Yeah. I mean game objects. Yeah, okay, so like do you mean game objects like in Unity, like a cube, or objects in the game that you have to accomplish? Like game objects are handled in a like in a way you have triangles and quads that you can spawn. I can show to you in a moment. The second one. Yeah, so as I said, I don't really have a objective yet for like a gameplay wise thought game, because yeah, I need to make the engine fast. I can't think of gameplay. It doesn't make any sense. It's yeah, it's like you're building a plane and thinking of what food you would give the yeah, the people flying the plane, and the plane doesn't even have wings. So yeah, I can't really think of gameplay architecture at the moment. So yeah, size of asset pool state, and we have state dot texture count as 0, and I don't know why Visual Studio is giving me no highlighting on that one. It's pretty damn trashy. Okay, I is less than state. Why? Texture count I plus plus, and if state dot textures at I dot file path equal file path. So if we already have that, we return state dot textures at I. And yeah, and here we just return return texture to the create with the file path, and texture to create does actually assign the file path. That's good. I can relate to that. Keep on doing your thing, you will figure the kind of game out you want to make. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, thank you for the nice words. Yeah, I hope I figure it out as soon as possible. But the engine is more like the more important thing for me. yeah. Okay, add texture. We'll just do estate dot textures at I, not at I, at texture estate dot texture count plus plus is equal to texture. And we do, before we return, we do asset pool add texture. We need that texture to the text is equal to that, and we add that and return it. Okay, now we could do a void asset pool remove texture, like that, and we do estate the textures at, yeah, we need void asset pool get texture index texture to the texture, and we do for u32 equal to 0 less than estate dot texture count I plus plus, and if estate dot textures at I dot file path is equal to file texture file path, we return I and 32 add asset pool get texture index of texture, and this is error type. Okay, I think we need to include dot slash core slash defines. Okay, so it's equal to null pointer, and we do free return -1, and first we need to include logging and assert message that the condition is this should not be equal to -1, try to remove non-existent texture from asset pool, and then we do free that. Okay, nice. And then load texture will just do, will not do that. Instead it will include asset pool and load texture. We do asset pool load texture file path. Easy. In triangle we do the same thing, so includes asset pool and asset pool load texture file path. Nice. Okay, yeah, so let's try that. Passing texture to D. Oh, wait. obviously it's a texture to the pointer. The textures hash define max textures. Let's say 512 times 5 times max textures. Obviously. Why does it not get asset pool state? Because that. Oh. In 18 dot 40 dot. Nice. Size of texture. And wait, state is equal to malloc size of asset pool. State yeah, it's not a pointer. Still access violation. State. Asset pool state. Why does it have Hä? Assets pool state. Asset pool state. I think it's because I named it. So S state will be renamed to that. In 12, what? I know why, because we didn't call init. So asset pool. Asset pool. Init. Yes. Okay, it loads it only once, as you can see. Very nice. Okay, let's see the memory. 114. It's increasing. Fuck. That is definitely not good. We have a memory leak somewhere. Oopsies. Why are we leaking so much memory? Maybe it's textures. Oh, we are always. We are always creating a new one. Oh wait, but this should only happen once. Why are we leaking memory? Come on. Come on. It was so cool. Is it because of that? Yes, it is. So it's very likely because of rendering quads. Yeah. It's constantly going up. Quad render. This doesn't even allocate memory. I really have no idea why we are leaking memory. Because quad render does not even allocate memory. No, we don't leak anything again. Quad render, where do you allocate memory is the question. I can only think of model matrix, but it's not heap memory. Still leaking. No, it's not leaking anymore. So it's because we are creating the model matrix. Are you serious right now? You have to be joking. Oh no! Wait. Still leaking. Free matrix values. Definitely. Okay, we need to free it here as well, but I don't know if we're even calling it. Okay, so you can see my thing here. Still leaking. Look at this huge memory leak. Okay, so translate vector addition, vector scalar multiplication, vector scalar multiplication, return ret. Vector 3 create matrix for identity. Vector for scalar multiplication. So if we have modern matrix is equal to, let me quickly uncomment that or comment that, matrix for modern matrix is equal to matrix for identity. If we're still leaking, then everything would make like a lot of sense in the opposite way. What the creepy shitting fuck? What the fuck? Just what the fuck? Maybe we need to free that as well. Aha. But wait. How can we free it before returning it? Yeah, we can have a matrix for value pointer like that, and then matrix for value pointer normal, and matrix for value pointer like that would be this one, and the normal one would be that one, and then we do matrix for value pointer. Oh no! Oh wait. Oh wait. How could you... How can you free memory that you want to return? Maybe we could do something like that. Where's shader? Maybe we could do float pointer value is equal to that, and then value and free value. flow pointer value is equal to that value, free value. Matrix for value pointer. It's not leaking! Look at this! It's not leaking! Let's go! Let's go, guys. It's not leaking anymore. Okay, now. Oh my god. We had like a hole in our tank that was leaking water, and now we fixed the hole, you know? Oh my god. Perfect. This is nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, now let's remove that piece of garbage, which looks like a real piece of garbage. Let's have a quad pointer player. It's equal to now let's do renderer to the add quad. Quad create player quad 2 is player. So player position scale rotation is 0, vector 4 create 1, 1. Oh, this is oh no, it's good. And yeah, okay, we need to do quad pointer players equal to that, and then player dot. Oh no, we do. Oh, it's quad load texture player file path is dot slash s engine assets textures player.png, and then we do renderer 2D add quad player. Let's see. Yes. Perfect. Okay, and then we do for utility I is equal to 0, I is less than, no, x is equal to 0, x is less than 20, x plus plus. And then we do quad pointer triangle. No, this doesn't make sense. Triangle pointer. Let's say t is equal to or spike is equal to triangle. Yes, exactly that. Triangle creates a spike. Position is vector to create. So the y position is the x position should be x times x times 30, and the y position should be 0. Scale vector to create 100, 100, or let's say 40, 40. And let's make this 50. Rotation is 0. Vector 2 create. Negative this. Vector 2 create. This should be 0. This should be a positive, negative. And vector 2 create 0.2, 0.3, 0.8, 1.0. That's the spike. And then we do render to the triangle spike. Vector 4. X is equal to 0. Why are there no spikes? Ah, because we're not rendering the triangles. Where's the renderer? We just commented that out. But please don't leak memory again. It's not doing it. That's good. Okay, 0 and scale is, let's say, 50. Okay, nice. Let's say 200 plus x times 50. This is 0. Let's make it 100 plus, and let's make it 80 times. Okay, nice. I think it's 80 is too much. Let's make 50, and let's make this 60. Okay, it needs 55, and this is 50. It's 35. Sorry. It's still not perfect. Anyway. Yes, this is perfect. Okay, now, just for reasons, I want it in the opposite direction here, and also I want to have it so it should be at this should be at this and this. No, yes, at this and this. This should be at this, and this should be at this. And it should be red. Blue and red, and here we have red dot state, no, red dot wind dot props dot will height. That's the height. That's not the height. If I put it at 720. And this should be not null, it should be null plus 50. Why is 720 here? What? Yes. This was good. I think we can commit it. Why? Why? Let's say 80. If this is perfect, then I'm going to commit it. It's not. 90. Yes, that's good. Okay. I think we could have like a background. Pixel art background. One this by this. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Let's take that. Background. quad pointer background is equal to quad create background position is better to create. I think we should put it in the middle. So gstate.app.window.props.width divided by 2 plus or minus the scale, which is, let's just do this. Well, let's just do 0 for the moment. 0, 0, scale is vector to create this. Rotation 0, color no whites. Oh, basically no color at all. Background dot load quad load texture background dot slash engine slash assets slash textures background JPEG renderer 2D add quad background. Okay, now we should have a nice background. Okay, it's there, but not quite. Okay, so the position is, let's try this divided by 2 and this divided by 2. Let's try that. Okay. Why didn't that work? And why didn't we even see it? What the fuck? Why is it just disappearing? Just because of some small positioning change. Okay, now 2. It's not visible. And 50. 50. Should place it 50 pixels away. What the fuck? Why? Why is 50 exactly? Okay, no, we're not caring about that. We just don't, okay? We just don't. Okay, we at the moment we don't have sorting, like we don't have a layering system, so we need to add the player after. Okay, this is actually very beautiful. This is actually very beautiful. That's everything made in C without any libraries. Yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess. Yeah. Let's upload that. Hit that dot. Triangle rendering asset tool and more. I really like that. we are not leaking memory, which is very good. Nice. Okay, GitHub. There's engine. Nice. Triangle rendering. Git tests. Let's quickly do git clone engine. No, not commit man. Just engine. Very nice. And obviously we are also using our own math library, which is like very cool. Like for all of that displaying, we are using our own math library. Okay, so and by the way, we are not making a 2D game. I just started with a 2D renderer because we will need a 2D renderer also in a 3D game. So yeah, I think we will start on 3D pretty soon. And yeah, this is it for the stream, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Next time, yeah, we will maybe start with 3D. And yeah, so have a great day and